in bed worrying myself about what's going to happen to the world, and are we even going to function normally after this viral outbreak. We're literally in pandemic 2020. Stuff has hit the fan and everything's going downhill, basically. I just sincerely hope we come out of this okay. There's so much that's gonna go wrong, and I don't want to scare anybody, but basically people are going to die. Businesses are gonna go down the drain. People are gonna lose their jobs. So this is a day in my life. I basically wake up, lie in bed, checking how many people have passed away today. The news hasn't come out yet, but yesterday it was about 200 people. And I'm not panicking, but I'm worrying quite terribly. It's funny because the weather is so nice outside, but the streets are empty. There's queues outside Tesco. You have to stay a 2-meter gap in between people. And then I read on the news that actually it has to be an 8-meter gap because the virus could still travel through the air. And then it makes me think, why are we told not to wear masks when viral cough droplets can reach you 8 meters away from other people? Why are they telling us not to wear masks? We should be wearing masks. And it's driving me up a wall. Anyways, I'm gonna get up from this situation and I'm gonna do a workout, and then I'm gonna start cooking. I'm also gonna pray. So yeah, time to get up. Hey,
what the?
This is our lives. Pandemic 2020.
You do have a bad girl and you don't expect people to please them.
I'm going to be doing a short little workout today. Many of us are not able to go to a gym because of being quarantined and stuck inside due to the pandemic. So I thought I would do a little workout for you all that you can follow along at home if you like. I've been working out every day at home, and it hasn't been as bad as I thought. Because I live in a house with many other people, I'm going to be doing a no jump workout, so there'll be no jumping, just moving along to things. So yeah. I want you to breathe me. Let me be yours. Let me run your body freely. No inhibition, no fear. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like nirvana? Hit me harder again. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? Pull me closer again. How deep is your love? So tell me how deep is your love, can it go deeper? So tell me how deep is your love, can it go deeper? So tell me how deep is your love, can it go deeper? So tell me how deep I guarantee you guys will be sweating bullets after this workout. Feel way more motivated to continue on with today. So yeah, working out really helps. If you feel a downer, then do a home workout. Basically, this is protocol for whenever we leave the house.
That's why.
Hey!
I'm leaving the video.
Hey! Going out for a walk. So I'm wearing a mask. Got them from Amazon. My dad got this for me, which is good. I'm not wearing gloves because I'm going to wash my hands when I come back and I'm not going to touch anything. So yeah, I'm going out now. See you guys. So I did some scratch cooking. I made homemade tortilla wraps from scratch. All I did was mix flour, salt, and vegetable oil together. I added some spices for flavor. You can use whatever spices you have. I used chili, turmeric, coriander, cumin, and curry powder. By the way, guys, all the details for the recipe will be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I then added some room temperature water to the mix and mixed it up until I had a shaggy dough. Now this step is important. Knead the dough for 10 minutes. You want it really smooth and elastic. It shouldn't be sticky or dry, just really soft and stretchy. Let it rest for a few minutes. I rolled the dough into a log and started to cut off 2-inch bits and rolled them into balls. I did this until I had 10 evenly sized dough balls. Using a rolling pin and a light dusting of flour, I rolled them into thin circular sheets. I cooked them briefly for about 45 seconds on each side on a medium flame on a flat skillet pan. You don't want to overcook them, or they will get crusty and dry. You just want to cook them slightly so that they're pliable and you can fold them and bend them. I started on my Cajun chicken by browning 2 cloves of garlic in oil. I added salt and 1 chopped onion and let it soften for 5 minutes. I went ahead and added the same spices I added to my tortilla wraps to the onions as well. I then added a whole baby chicken and a red and yellow pepper I chopped earlier and gave it a mix. For a more Mexican flavor, I added a heaping tablespoon of paprika to my chicken. I took the peppers out with a slotted spoon because I didn't want to overcook them. I should have added them last because they take less time to cook than the chicken, but hey ho, you learn as you go. Once the chicken was cooked, I shredded it, and then in a clean pan I put the peppers and the chicken back in and cooked it for a minute. I also added some cooked white rice just for bulk and volume. I'm going to fill my burritos with guacamole, and to make that we're going to need a large ripe avocado, a tomato, red onion, lemon, and coriander. I chopped the onion, tomato, and coriander finely and mixed them together in a bowl. I like a chunky guac, so I'm gonna scoop the avocado out and chop it roughly with a knife until it's chunky with some slightly mashed up pieces. I added some lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and a crushed garlic clove into my guac and gave it a mix with my fork. I took each tortilla wrap, piled it with some chicken, some guacamole, some cheese, and salad leaves. I'm using arugula as that's what we have, and then I rolled it up into a burrito shape. I oven cooked some chips, and 10 minutes towards the end of the cooking time, I put my burritos inside the oven so that they warm up and the wraps glue together. And here we have it, a delicious plate of healthy burrito made from scratch with some oven chips. Hope you guys tried this recipe and let me know what you think. So yeah guys, that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and give me a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will be doing more vlogs like this very soon, so stay tuned.